And welcome to Cookery with Mason Storm. In today's episode, we're going to look at making some cornbread, one of my favorites. To begin with, we need a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, 2/3 cup white sugar, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of cornmeal, and 1 cup of flour. Okay, we'll get our mixing bowl out here. We'll add our flour and our cornmeal and sugar, as well as our baking powder and our salt. We'll give it a nice good mixing. Now, one thing about baking powder that I failed to mention in my previous videos was that you should always sift your baking powder. If you ever eat something that has a clump of baking powder, it's quite disgusting. Now, wet ingredients: milk, oil, and our egg. Now we can go back to mixing this solution. Looking to mix everything together so that we have a nice smooth mixture in the end. And one way you can test this is lifting up the spoon and seeing how it dribbles. And if it has a nice constant stream, you're probably close to, or you're done mixing it. So that's what we have here. So we'll get our pan out, we'll butter our pan, and then we can pour the batter into the pan. And that's it. That's all the hard work done right there. I'm just using a spatula to get it out of the bowl because it's really sticky. But now that we are all done getting it out of the bowl, into the oven we go. 400 degrees, 25 minutes. Although I had to put mine in longer, it still wasn't done for another like 10 after that. And method of testing is to use the toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it's good to go. And there we go. That is our cornbread. Let me know in the comments below how you make your cornbread. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, stay awesome.